Hello friends, my name is Nikhil. My team member is Jolly, Anil and Abhishek and project guide is Miss Namita Agarwal ma'am. Our project topic name is implementation of smart waste management system. Purpose of the project: people not properly segregate the waste. I discussed topic garbage segregation. This is a block diagram of dry waste segregation of garbage. These block diagram are using to the implement of hardware. We are using these different sensor and different components. So what is the role of using these different components and different sensor? First, I am using Arduino Uno board. Arduino Uno used for programming. Second, I am using two ultrasonic sensor. First, ultrasonic sensor is dry side and second ultrasonic sensor waste side. Ultrasonic sensor is used to measure the level of garbage in the dustbin. Then I am using buzzer. Buzzer whip when dustbin is full. Then I am using LCD 16x2. LCD used to display the level of dustbin. Then I am using GSM module. GSM module is used to send SMS to the authority. Then I am using servo motor. Servo motor is used for flipping the lid. Then I am using IR sensor. IR sensor is used to sense the garbage. Then I am using moisture sensor. Then moisture sensor send the data to the Arduino for taking decision that garbage is dry or wet. If garbage is dry, then lid flip dry side and vice versa. This is all components are using to implement to the hardware. Hello friends, this connection are properly for model ready. First, LCD connected to the Arduino pin number 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 30. IR sensor is connected to the Arduino pin number 4. Then servo motor connected to the Arduino pin number 3. Then buzzer is connected to the Arduino pin number 2. Then GSM module connected to the Arduino pin number 0 and 1, TX and RX. Then ultrasonic sensor 1 is connected to the Arduino pin number A2 and A3. And second ultrasonic sensor are connected to the Arduino pin number A4 and A5. And VCC ultrasonic sensor 1 and ultrasonic sensor 2 are connected to the commonly, and grounds ultrasonic sensor 1 and ultrasonic sensor 2 and buzzer are connected to the commonly. Then moisture sensors are connected to the pin number Arduino A0. Here I can use in power supply. This is the two compartment, dry and wet.